Hello children, today we'll start the subject history of grade 6 and our chapter number 3 is the Harappan civilization. Today we will going to discuss about Harappan civilization. So before starting the chapter, we will discuss first civilization. What is the meaning of civilization? Civilization means advanced organization, a committee, a group of people where they live together and make an organization. So let us start with introduction. Our first point, it refers to the ancient Indian civilization discovered in the Punjab on the bank of river Ravi in 1921. Its refer means this Harappan civilization, they start from 1921 and they discovered in Punjab bank of river, that is Ravi. It is also known as Indus civilization. This Harappan civilization also known as, or the second name of Harappan civilization is Indus civilization. Similar to Harappa, discovered in Indus Valley at Mohenjo-daro. Why we telling that Indus civilization? Because it established in Mohenjo-daro and the place where they established, it is known as Indus Valley. About 650 km to the south. From Mohenjo-daro to Indus Valley, they have 650 km to the south, like Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan and Daimamar. These are some places where the Harappan civilization established, or Indus civilization they established. Now let us discuss about characteristic features. First is baked and unbaked brick are used for construction. For construction means for build any house. They use baked bricks. Bricks means eat, which used for making houses. So they use baked or unbaked bricks for houses. Spacious and rooms central courtyard. Spacious means space. They use a proper space for making any room, or they use it in central courtyard. Means their room is not small. They have room also. They have courtyard also. Bathrooms and latrine are also built with a spacious space. Provisions to carry sewage. Provision means supply. Provision means supply or supply. They supply their sewage, whatever the garbage, whatever the bad things or dust is there, they supply it another space. Drainage system, baked earthen conduits. Conduits means pipe. They make a pipe, and from that pipe the waste drainage, the liquid material or the waste, it go out from this conduits. Broad street in a grid pattern. Broad street, the road, the street is very broad in size and they use in a grid pattern. Grid pattern means cross time. See here, grid means cross each other. Grid means is not straight, it is cross to each other. That type of street they used to build. Houses built in rectangular block. The houses which they are built, it is in rectangular shape. The shape of the houses is rectangular. Town was divided two or more sections protected by fortification. Meaning of fortification is a defensive wall. Means whatever the town or the houses they build, they use a fortification. Fortification means if any other people they can't attack on that, so they use a big wall. Because of that wall, no other person can attack him. It is known as defensive wall. Square shaped seals made from steatite. Steatite is a kind of a mineral. They use that mineral for making seal, and the shape of the seal is square. Engraved human and animals. Engraved means cut. They cut human and animals for their needs. Pictographic writing. They use pictographic writing. Pictographic means picture handwriting. They use picture in that seal to express their feelings. Red terracotta used for pots and vessels. Terracotta means used for architecture. The architectural use this terracotta. The color of the terracotta is red. They use to make pots and vessels. Okay. Motif used like leaves, flowers and animals in the black color pot. Motifs means design. They use design in the pot like leaves, flowers and animals. Means this kind of design they are using while making any pot, and they use black color for this design. Okay. Customs of burial of dead along with pot. They have a custom, they have a tradition. If anybody is dead, so what they are using, the dead body of that person, they buried into the earth or in the land, and while buried they use pot. They keep that pot with that dead body also. A spacious bath in Mohenjo-daro. The dimension is about 12-meter length, 7-meter width and 2.5 meter deep. See, they use a bath. They have a proper space for bath also in Mohenjo-daro. The dimension means measure. The measurement of that space for bathing is 12-meter long, 7-meter width and 2.5 meter deep. Deep means depth, gehrai. Inner side prevent with baked bricks, avoid seepage. For avoiding seepage, they use a small hole, because whatever the water, if in that tank is present, so because of that seepage, the water, seepage means a small hole, because of that small hole, the seepage, the water, the bad or dirty water easily go out through that seepage. Drainage, cleaning and refilling time to time. They clean that tank properly in time to time. They drain that tank properly in time to time and refill. They refill. Refill means again the water pour in that tank. So in time to time they drain also, they clean also and they refill also the tank. Life of the people. How they survive their life. How they live their life. So the first point is agriculture. The main occupation of Harappa civilization is agriculture. They used to do agriculture for their daily needs. Wheat, rice, barley, sesame, legumes and cotton. These are something which they used to do agriculture. Art of weaving cotton in cotton textile. They have a art how to weave a cotton, how to stitch a cotton, and because of that weaving, they start weaving a cotton in cotton textile. Knee length and an upper garment. The dress, the material or the dress material they used to wear is up to knee length. Means the dress they wear, the size or the length of the dress is up to knee. Okay, and they use upper garment also. Now next is ornaments. They used to wear ornament. Man and woman, both the person are used to wear ornaments. Ornaments like gold, silver, copper, precious stones, shells and seeds. So they design their ornaments with this kind of material and they wear it. Multi-strand necklaces. All men or women, they used to wear necklaces and their necklace is multi-strand, and afterwards they used to wear rings, armlets and waistbands or bangles right up to upper arm. Women used to wear bangles in upper arm, not here. They used to wear the bangles in upper arm side. Okay. Trade relation outside India. They used to do business or do trade in outside India. They used to do business in India also, but their clients are outside India also. For expand their business, for expand their trade, they used to do business with other part of the country. Cotton exported Central Asia, Egypt and Southern Europe. They used to wear, they used to sell, they used to export cotton in places like Central Asia, Egypt and Southern Europe. These countries are the client of Harappa civilization. Next, exported muslin, cotton, textile, beads, aromatic substances to Egypt and Central West Asia. They also export this muslin, cotton, then beads or aromatic substance. Aromatic substances means smell like perfume or ether. They used to sell or export this to Egypt and Central West Asia. The remains of a dog at Lothal indicated use sea root in the Arabian Sea for trade. They also use sea route. Sea route like Arabian Sea. In a dock. Dock means a small area. Dock means a small area of water. That dock that is in Lothal, and from Lothal they used to export their materials from sea route with the help of Arabian Sea. Terrestrial route for trade. Terrestrial route means the route which is on land also and in water also. So this terrestrial route are also help for trading business. Imports material silver, brass, precious stones and pine wood. They import material. Import means the material which is come from another country to India. Okay. So they import materials like silver, brass, precious stone and pine wood. Okay, these are the some points for life of the people, how they survive their life, how they do business, etc. Now last is causes of decline. Decline means over, end. Okay, so what is the reason behind the Harappa civilization declining? So let us see. First is frequent floods. Because of natural calamities like floods, tsunami, earthquake. This is the reason. Because of this reason, Harappa civilization will over. Now change in sea level. The changes in sea level. Sometimes the sea level is very high or sometimes the sea level is very low. This is also the another reason for declining Harappa civilization. Next is earthquake, that is natural calamities. Next is invasion of the foreign tribal. Invasion means attack or war. Because of the war, because of attacking the Arabian or the foreign tribal, this is also the reason for declining or over Harappan civilization. Decline in trade, loss in business or loss in trade. This is also the reason for over the Harappa civilization. Migration of people. Migration of people. If we are not having a proper house, proper food to eat, proper life, so the people which they lived in Harappa civilization, they can't get enough thing, so they start migrating from one place to another place, and because of that migration, Harappa civilization and desertion of the town. Desertion means neglect. The town is deserted. The town is finished. No one live in that town. So that's why Harappa civilization migrate from one place to another place. And this is some thing which is causes or which is the reason for Harappa civilization. Now we are not getting any Harappa civilization in our area. So in this lesson, student, we have seen the characteristics and features of Harappa civilization, how they do business, how they survive their life, how they wear ornaments, how they eat, what they eat, how they make their ornament, and how Harappa civilization come to an end.